Hi my gems, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this cute wash and go look by using only mousse. No gel, no creams, just mousse in between. I said no gels, no cream, just mousse in between. I said what? So stay tuned to see the entire process and drop some different tips on making sure that this is a successful wash and go using just mousse. So to begin the style, I'm going to be starting off on freshly washed hair. I already previously shampooed with the Aunt Jackie's Power Wash Shampoo. Now this is a clarifying shampoo, which is really great for product buildup. It does actually have apple cider vinegar and aloe in there as well, so it's going to be great with removing that product buildup but still providing that moisture. What I like about this shampoo is that it is a clarifying shampoo, but it's not super drying. I know a lot of clarifying shampoos are going to be used to actually remove that product buildup, so it does have that streaky clean feel, so to speak, which I don't always tend to love, but I know that I need to kind of cleanse my hair, my scalp, and my pores, and this shampoo does a great job of doing that. It does have apple cider vinegar as well as aloe in there, which is great for actually being able to remove that product buildup, but the aloe in there helps to kind of replenish those different nutrients back into your hair. So I went ahead and washed off camera with the power wash, and I actually went through the process of beginning deep conditioning. So this is the Aunt Jackie Thirst Quenching Recovery Conditioner. So this conditioner is what I currently have in my head, and I want to show you guys what it's looking like so far. So I'm going to go ahead and take off this shower cap. I have my sealant twist in there just to kind of lock in that moisture for the actual conditioner. Curls showing out, without. I said those curls showing out, without, out. And so I'm going to just go ahead and take the twist down all over, because I just like to twist my hair when I am deep conditioning to just be able to kind of section it off. My process with deep conditioning is applying the conditioner, detangling, twisting, and then letting it sit. Well, they say after 30 minutes, the conditioner is not doing anything really to your hair. It's not helping or hurting it. It's just kind of there. 30 minutes is actually a perfect time to be able to allow it to absorb into your pores and be able to make sure that the follicles of the hair is fully moisturized. So this is like the conditioner. It's pretty thick, which I like. I like thick conditioners. They make me feel like my hair is really getting what it needs, baby. So I kind of want to show you guys what it looked like just with the conditioner. I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the conditioner and then come back to begin the styling process. Okay, so I went ahead and rinsed out the conditioner out of my hair. So these are just my curls with no product at all. And I want to show you guys the process of how I'm actually going to achieve a wash and go with a mousse. I'm going to be using the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Control Styling Mousse to be able to achieve this wash and go style. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do, and hopefully it comes out right. But first things first, I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into fours. So I'm going to start off with the back section. I'm going to take a little bit, maybe not a little bit, a decent amount of styling mousse and just start to rub it in my hair. This is interesting because, of course, I'm more used to doing wash and goes with a cream that has that thick consistency and texture. This is really light. This is interesting. This is really light. But the curls are kind of showing out still though. I mean, if they have to come out to play, then come out and slay. So I'm going to break it down to smaller sections because I really want to make sure that it's being absorbed throughout the hair. And you guys can actually see how much my color has grown out from when I got my highlights in March for my birthday, and it's now August. Show out here. So I am literally just finger combing through, making sure that that mousse is all in my hair. I mean, the curls look good. I'm just not used to this feel, should I say. Alright, well, let's go ahead and do the next section. I honestly love me a good wash and go. It's one of my favorite styles, if you haven't noticed. It's easy to do, and it's so versatile. Like, you can just wear it as a regular wash and go, have a little cute little curly little fro going on, or if you want to style it, do your little bun or whatever it may be. It's a lot of variety that you can do with a wash and go. I feel like it's really the foundational process that you can do to achieve many styles in natural hair. So that is the full first section. You see that definition in that kitchen. You see that definition in that kitchen. You see that definition in that kitchen. Okay, let's see how it dries. I'm gonna see how it feels once it dries. All right, so that's the first section. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move to the very next section. What I'm hoping to achieve with this is a very lightweight wash and go with no flakes. That's the goal. Let's see if dreams become reality. And now I'm just gonna do the entire process to the rest of my head. And also what I'm observing that I like, because I'm only using one product for this wash and go, it's not taking as much time. I'm literally flying through this process, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. We'll see how the results look. Stay tuned. This is already so light. In the back, it's not completely dry, nowhere near completely dry, but it's already starting to dry because it is such a lighter product on there. It feels like it may actually dry quicker. So I'm just trying to make sure that the product is all evenly distributed around my hair, because I want to make sure once it dries, it all dries looking the exact same way. So I'm going to begin to let it dry. While it's dry, I'm going to do my makeup because I am going out tonight. So that way I can be able to do a 2-for-1, let it dry, and have a beat on the fly. 2-for-1, let it dry, and have a beat, hey, on the fly. So I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to come back. Okay, so I'm back with a beat, and here, look at me. I said I'm back with a beat in here, look at me. I said I'm back with a and look at me. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I'm pretty excited about how this wash and go looks. I mean, honestly, truly, the curls are popping. Like, they look good. They look like how my other wash and goes look. What I love about it is because I'm using the mousse in this instead of the gel, it doesn't have that initial cast. It's already soft. And like I said, I felt like it was going to be drying quicker because it's not as much product. It is. My hair already is feeling dry around the perimeter. And I actually like to let my hair air dry. I know some people like to diffuse, and that's something I may start doing more frequently. But when you have the time, I like to let it air dry because shrinkage is not as a big deal to me. I know there was a time before my hair got to this length that I would like to see a little bit more length retention. So I understand those who like to diffuse to either define their curls more or to keep some of that length. So I totally understand that. This wash and go with this mousse is looking good. It's looking really, really good. It's lightweight, feels good. Look at these curls. Oh, I can smell the product as I shake it. And I haven't done anything, as you can see. I haven't laid my edges or nothing. I literally just let it dry. So just to give you an idea of the time that it took for me to do my makeup, my hair is already dry. Well, not all the way dry, but more dry than it would have been if I had a regular wash and go with the cream and the gel. So I'm liking this. So although I didn't use any gel around my hair to be able to do the actual wash and go, y'all know I gotta lay these edges down, right? Yeah, come on, y'all know I like to lay my edges. So now that the wash and go has dried some, I do actually want to do a cute little step. Okay. They don't care that I'm filming the video, I'm just gonna laugh. So it doesn't hit long, huh? So you entertain, huh, Mari? Okay, so Mari entertain. So I'm really, really loving the wash and go, but I do want to do a cute little style to this, just to put a little stank on it. You know what I'm saying? Look, for the people. So I think I'm gonna do like a half hawk. So I'm gonna have a half Frohawk at the top, just a cute little style to spice up this wash and go. So I'm going to brush this side up, just like this. Soft little flirty style. I do want to leave a little baby hair out, you know what I'm saying? Look, a little razzle dazzle or something. I'm gonna brush this up like so. And because that mousse is still in there, I don't even have to apply gel or anything. I have to take another one because I want this to be obviously a little half hawk and not look like a fallen dew. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. I am really pleasantly surprised, like literally really pleasantly surprised with this dang gone mousse wash and go. Like, I'm like, why had I not tried this before? Baby girl, like be busy. Yeah, bitch. So I'm gonna put a little bit more right here just to activate that little curly look. So I'm gonna take a little gel because I want to lay these edges, including this little renegade spot right here. And I'm again to sleek and flake. Sleek and flake. So final step, I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie pick and go through this just to give it a little bit more value. And like you see, I'm picking at the roots, just the roots, baby. I love big hair.
For the very last step, I've been using Sheen balm to apply all over my hair for luster. And here's the finished look.
Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of seeing how I achieved a wash and go for my very first time using just mousse. I definitely love the product and the results, and I highly recommend you try it out. So this entire line you can actually find on Aunt Jackie's website, or they are in stores and retails. I'll link them below so you'd actually be able to see the entire line and the products that I use specifically. Thanks for watching. Until next time, my gems. Bye bye.